What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji, and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I really appreciate you tuning in once again. Welcome. You're here. You made it. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Guys, I have crazy heat in front of me right now. I've got like five pairs here. Let's just get it started off right here with the sneaker on top. You already know the X on top right here, you guys. I was really lucky. Shout out to Omar because he told me that Jimmy Jazz had a raffle on these. I didn't think I was gonna get it because I didn't sign up for the raffle. I went in the day it came out and they had some extra pairs. That raffle ended at 2. I got super lucky and I got me a pair because I waited from like 1 to 2 o'clock. I waited and first come, first serve. The raffle was over. Caught me a size 9 for retail, you guys. And that is the Jordan 1 Rebellionaire right here. Check it out. The X's on the back, the extra laces. It's basically a shadow, you guys. A shadow colorway, but with, you know, the undefeated collaboration. Just super sick shoe in my opinion. They're not going crazy for resale right now, so if you guys want them, I'd say pull the trigger on them because they're kind of low right now. They're like 260, 270, something like that. They're not that bad, but you know, I have the Shadow 2.0 right here, so comparing it, you know, not too bad. You know, this one's, I think color blocking is pretty cool on this. It's growing on me, but this is pretty sick as well. So really excited to have these, especially for retail, you guys. Crazy. The paper is like, got MJ's feet right there wearing shoes. The shadows, I think. So yeah, super sick. Super excited to have these. Like the actual, like the materials are actually really soft on them. And yeah, anyway, let's move on. Let's move on, you guys, because I have bangers. Like, seriously, like, major heat alert. Major heat alert. Here we go. Next one, I don't even know what it is, but I know that I got a couple pairs for retail. The Rebellionaires is one of them. Shout out to our local Jimmy Jazz. That was huge. This next shoe, you guys, here we go. This is a heater. This is a heater. Cop these on GOAT, if I'm not mistaken. Should have, yep. Here's, if you guys can't tell, off-white box. GOAT stuff right there. All legit. I don't mess around with fakes. And this is the off-white dunk lot 1, you guys. Lot 1. Check it out. Got the aged midsole. The silver swoosh right there, the white strings on top, all over. You got the tag right here as well. Sick shoe, you guys. Absolutely, like, Virgil killed these, like, killed them. There's so many shoes in this, like, whole collaboration. It's insane. 50 of them. I'm not going for any of them except for these ones. I do like some of the suede ones, but these are absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know, like, they cost me a pretty penny, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear them right away. Maybe I'll bust them out for a special occasion, but these are absolutely flames, like crazy nice. But let's put these on the table because I have still got some crazy stuff to unbox, you guys. This next shoe is, let's see, I'm not sure if it's, I know I hit a sneakers shoe. Oh, this is from Soul Steals. I had a couple pairs of these in the past. I regret selling them, like I do some other stuff. And this pair, you guys, I'm welcoming it back to the collection. And kind of don't like the looks of the box a little bit. It's a little dirty up here. But maybe I can wipe that off with something. But Union box, you guys. And it is the Guavas, you guys. The Guava Union 4s. Absolutely sick in my opinion. The Nike Air on the back. I thought I'd like the black pair more, but for some reason this is really growing on me. Like really growing on me, the Guava pair. So yeah, really sick. Jordan 4 Guavas, you guys. This one's got the extra laces on them. So yeah, size 8.5 I can squeeze an 8.5. I have some other stuff 8.5. 9 is my true size, but I can definitely squeeze into these. Excited to have those back in the collection. Let's move this off to the side, you guys. I'm still extremely excited for one of the shoes in this stack right here. And actually, maybe I don't have the one shoe that I thought I had in this stack. Maybe I got rid of it. But anyway, this next shoe, you guys, I can already tell I hit these for retail on Sneakers app. It's your brown Jordan box right there. Classic Jordan box. And these are your Jordan 12 playoffs, you guys. Size 9, my size. Very, very clean sneaker, you guys, in my opinion. OG colorway, you know, really, really happy to have these. I was thinking about selling them, but you know what? The more I look at them, it just goes with everything. Black and white, just nice tumbled leather, and just really, really classic shoe, you guys. Black and white, like I said, very wearable, and excited to have them because I never had these shoes in the past in the playoff colorway. So, and I don't have any 12s in my collection, so I'm actually glad to have an OG 12 in the collection. So, they're not my favorite, but OG colorway. And actually, for some reason, I don't know how it happened, saving the best for last, in my opinion, the best for last. These, I finally got this OG Jordan 1 in my collection, you guys. OG Jordan 1, and I'll give you a hint, it's from 2015. They've come out a few times. It's a Jordan 1, and I've never had it. I've had different variations of it, but not, oh my gosh. Here we go. GOAT stickers, you guys, right there. Got them from GOAT. And it is and used, by the way, because I want to wear them. Jordan 1 Chicago 2015. The 2015 Chicago's, you guys. I scoured GOAT, and I had to find me a used pair. See, it's lightly creased right there, which I don't mind, but very clean. Barely any star loss, barely any heel drag, and yeah, it's a little, you know, dirty around the edges, you guys, but it's still even got the size tag on the inside. No Nike Air branding on the inside. It's pretty much gone. But you guys, 2015 Chicago's. I have the Chicago Off-Whites. How come? I don't know. For some reason, I had some other stuff. I have the LA to Chicago's right here. I could probably, you know, scrub off the purple and gold, but I needed the OG in my collection. Actually, the other shoe that I was thinking of was the Trophy Room 1 Chicago's, but I sold those, so the only other Chicago's I have are my Off-White Chicago's. But these, you guys, were a must. They were a must. I really, really wanted these. None of this is needed, but I really wanted these. And the 2015 especially, because I just heard it was like softer leather, just better quality, and yeah, feeling this in hand, super sick, super sick. Here's some laces right here, red and white, and you know, they had the black laces in here, which I think the black laces are pretty sick, but I think I'd really like the white laces. But yeah, here's the other shoe. No like crazy flaws or anything with it. Yeah, I'm tempted to throw these on feet right now and see how they fit. But they're a 9.5. Like I said, I'm a 9. I can go down half a size, go up half a size, but these are gonna fit really nice. And it's about to get really nice outside. You know, spring, summer vibes. Some nice, you know, some nice shorts with the Chicago's on feet are gonna be bussin'. These are gonna be bussin', you guys. I'm gonna do a little B-roll before I end the video, and then I'm just gonna, you know, end it. So here's the B-roll. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in once again. Shout out to Baby Horchata for winning the giveaway. Many more giveaways to come, you guys. You know, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking the time if you've made it this far in the video. The shelf is getting ridiculous again. It was like this before I went on vacation. Now it's getting like this again. But it's okay. I'm working extra hard trying to bring you guys the heat. The heat. The house is about to burn down because I got so much heat down here. But anyway, thanks again. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and many more videos to come, you guys. I still have more sneakers on the way, of course. So have a good day. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.